We are pleased to show you the 2016 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, LED headlights, power tailgate, moonroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.